I've told you before about my accountant and how much she has just changed everything for me. How many times a day, whenever I have sales, do I update my Excel worksheets? Zero. With one exception. My consignment clients, I have to track how much money to pay them each month. So I do track consignment sales, but that's all. No more tracking of anything. How much end of the month accounting do I do? None. How many times do I look at eBay accounting reports? Never. How many times do I look at my business bank statements? Never. How many times do I do anything like that? When it comes to my business taxes this year, and I have a subchapter S corporation, how much time will I spend on my taxes? Zero. It's because my accountant takes care of everything. Angela is wonderful. Now, you will find, hopefully all of you have one or have one in mind and are working on it. My accountant, she costs me $150 a month, but that's misleading. It saves me so much more than that, so much more. And she has shown me ways to save so much money in my business, or to save so many taxes in my business. She is incredible. Are you using an accountant that understands online, anything, access, eBay, reselling, all of that? Maybe, maybe not. My perfect accountant. And I haven't spoken to her. It's been over a year since I've ever talked to her, ever. I mean, I've only talked to her twice, once on the phone and once in person, and that's all. I mean, there's just no need to talk to her. She just takes care of everything for me. I asked her the other day if I could tell you, if I could refer her to you, because a lot of you need help. I know that you do. And if you're struggling in your business, if sales are down, guess what? You need an accountant. If your sales are great, you need an accountant. You really need Angela, because she will just make your accounting side of life, it'll just leave. It just goes away. You don't do anything. It's just unbelievable. She has said she can gladly take out-of-town clients, out-of-state clients. You don't need to see her once. You don't need to do any of that. If you've had an accountant before, I had one through Legends. Some of you know who I'm talking about. Some of you may have used her for a while. That was a horrible, horrible experience. Supposedly they understood all about online. They really messed me up. They had to refund me 2 months of their fees because they did nothing. They did nothing. It was terrible. Angela's great. I get nothing from this. I don't get a referral fee. She's not going to give me, an extra month free. She's not going to do anything extra for me free. I am doing this for you. You need to talk to Angela about what she can do for you. It will just make everything easier. If your sales are slow and you're thinking, I don't have $150 a month right now to spare because sales are slow, this is the time to work on your business. I've told you that during the downtimes, that's when you work on your business. This is a perfect time to get an accountant in place. This winter of sales isn't going to last forever. You should know that. Our economy will cycle back. It always has. If it doesn't, we have a lot more problems than our business not having sales. And so this is the time to get your accountant in place. This is when you have more time. You're not wrapping as many things to ship every day. This is the time. And I strongly suggest, Angela, I'm going to put her contact information in the notes here, in the bullet points of this post. You should call her or email her, and you should get set up at least for a phone call to talk to her to see what she can do for you. It will change everything. And guess what? If you don't like it, leave. Try it for 3 months. Try it for 6 months. I mean, you really should just do it. Try it for a year. Try it for 1 month. If you just don't like or quit, just say, sorry, I tried. This isn't worth it to me. I can't imagine that will be the case. I can't imagine. This changes everything about your business and allows you to focus on your business instead of just focusing on all those minor, absolutely worthless details. Why do major corporations have an accounting department? Why doesn't the CEO? Why doesn't the owner? Why doesn't the board of directors just take care of all the accounting? It's because it's busy work. It really gets in the way, and they're not experts. Neither are most of you. She is. She can take your business to the next level. And now she also will do your taxes if you want her to. Being out of Oklahoma, if a lot of you are, I assume she can do your taxes too. I don't know. Maybe she doesn't want to work on out-of-state taxes. I would think she would. She's able to do it. She's trained to do it. But what I'm really stressing is not the taxes, but your day-to-day business accounting. It changes everything. Email Angela. Just do it. You will really be glad you did.